everyone, my name is Roslyn and I'm from Northeast India, Manipur.
My name is Prishila. I also do belong to Northeast India, Manipur. So today we are going to talk about the most common crime which is happening in India. Khwaidagi common crime oiba hojik thoiba thoba India da which is rape. Yeah, you heard us right. Rape. Rape is the most common crime which is happening in India. I know many of you will try to skip this video after hearing the word rape. But what if it happens to your own sister, daughter, your mom? Will you still skip this video and stay not aware of it? Will you still let the rapist set free?
So let's talk about the rape cases which happen in India. In 2018, every 15 minutes, one cases were reported. Total 3,356 cases. So let's talk about those who were not reported. Cases report the me may answer total the we don't know, you don't know, I don't know. We all don't know.
So every 1 hour, 4 cases were reported. So Amada case Mari.
So let's come to the conclusion. Point number 1, sex education. Sex education it's very important.
Yeah, it's very important, which we are not providing in our school. Our school they provide of it. So we need to educate our son, our daughter, or any one of our cousin brothers or whatever. We need to educate them. About sex education. Not in a bad way, but in a simple way, so that they could understand.
Second point, let's talk about our dressing sense. Yes, I do wear a short dress. She wears short dress, but it doesn't define that we are characterless. I mean, I am by madi shorts, madi dugumbudu setle short setle, adu setle, maze characterless or gani. Matong yam zaram dong man de mazi yinda. Hoy, dumay na kalam bas ni mayam le. But adu that's a very bad way. That's a very bad thinking. Hi, the short dress. It
doesn't mean that we will not get raped.
Yes. And let me tell you one thing, even a 5-month-old baby got raped. And even who wears kurta pajama got raped, who wear bikini shorts got raped. So we are not safe.
Not only a 5 months old, even a 2 days old baby got raped. Can you imagine? She is not even fully grown. Masado mapumpana zu grown age ko. Just think, a 2 days old child got raped. So how to stop this? You and I can change the world. You and I can come together and raise our voice against those rapists. Hojik natradi, hojik akoina. If we did not spread those messages to our friends, our neighbors, or anyone, then we are not safe anywhere. I'm a girl. I do not feel safe. Do you feel safe?
No.
She do not feel safe. No girls feel safe. So spread this message to everyone as much as you can, so that people will be aware, and spread these messages to everyone,
to each and everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, be comfortable, and fight for your rights.